Get now. Come here, Bubbles.
Little pug. Oh my goodness.
I tried getting all the stuff off her, it just wasn't happening. Took her right up India, really a good dog. I tried getting all the stuff off her tail, she just wouldn't have it.
Sit. Shake. Good girl. Wait. No. Wait. 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 Down. Down. Good girl. Good girl.
Did you guys eat the bottom of your beautiful cage? Did you eat it?
What is this? Huh? What is this right here? Killian, what happened?
Killian, I think some flooring is stuck on your back.
Rora, what is this? Hey, what happened? Look, it's in your hair. Look. What happened? Look,
Did
it's
you
right
guys
behind your
eat the
eye.
floor?
What'd you do? You know you guys are in trouble? Huh? Look, it's in your foot, Rowan. It's in your foot.
How to cut a Chihuahua's nails. First you pet and give some love. Then you give a treat, perhaps a cookie. Then you move in very gently to try and trim the nails.